I've already got myself set up. I got the tools out. I got my 14, what you need. New oil. I got the drain pan down here. So here comes the interesting part where I already cracked it, but I want to film this because it's always fun to see if you can get this without getting your hands all fucking nasty and fucking full of oil. There's a trick to freaking not getting super dirty while you do oil changes. Got a little dirty. Not too bad though. So just gotta let the oil drain out. It normally takes a minute or two.
I'll bet you haven't had a chance to really listen to our new up-to-date boarding music.
From a queen to the hardy, go hard in the party like bitches on Molly. Rolling her body, she sneaking up on me, says she really want me. This girl is so naughty, but I cannot follow. I'm busy right now, I'm busy tomorrow. Bitch, do not call me. Asking to come in my phone is...
I got that.